Hi, this is the talking head of Dr. Jason Goodchild from Premier Dental, and I want to talk to you about barriers. More specifically, I want to introduce you to Sleeve-It Disposable Barriers for your multi-use dispensers that cannot be sterilized. While they're easy to use, I just wanted to review getting the dispenser into the barrier and then removing it. In particular, removing the syringe without touching the outside of the barrier, helping to prevent cross-contamination. After using the material to remove the dispenser, simply unscrew the mix tip and keep hold of it. Holding the syringe and barrier over a clean surface, let the syringe fall out of the barrier. Then, throw away the contaminated barrier and mix tip into the garbage. Let's watch how it's done. I hope this short video has been helpful. Please consider the protection of Sleeve-It Disposable Barrier Sleeves to help prevent cross-contamination of those dispensers that cannot be sterilized every time.